This lesson focuses on applying liquid adhesive to a skin hair system. The thickness of the skin base directly impacts its durability, smoothness, and bonding options. Thicker skin bases are generally more durable and offer stronger, longer-lasting hold with a few more different bonding choices. Conversely, thinner skin bases are typically less durable. For these thinner systems, liquid adhesives are the preferred choice, as they provide a seamless, natural look and feel. Employing the correct liquid glue technique is essential for a secure hold while maintaining a natural appearance. Now important, not all adhesives are safe for poly bases. Some glues may cause yellowing, stickiness, or damage over time. Always use a glue that's approved for polyurethane bases and check our compatibility guide before applying. Step 1, prepare the base. Place your hair system on a clean, flat surface with the underside facing up. Make sure your scalp is clean, dry, and free from oils or residue. Wipe the underside of the poly base with at least 70% alcohol to improve adhesion. Avoid applying any lotions, oils, or moisturizers right before gluing. Step 2, apply a thin, even layer of glue. Prepare the adhesive. We're going to use Ghost Bond today. You want to shake your liquid adhesive well and pour a small, manageable amount into a separate small cup. That I've already done here. This will help you control the amount you use and prevent overuse. Apply the adhesive to the poly base of the hair system and allow it to dry. While the adhesive on the base is drying, you can apply the adhesive to your scalp as well. Now you have two application options for the scalp: around the perimeter or all over the scalp. Using the applicator brush or nozzle, spread a thin, even layer across the areas where the system will attach. Now remember, less is more. Applying too much glue can cause seepage, mess, or a longer drying time. Some glues suggest you can use more than 3 coats, but it's not always needed. Make sure every section that will touch your scalp has a consistent coat. Step 3, wait for the glue to become clear, not wet, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Some glues, such as Ghost Bond, will turn clear when they are ready, as they are typically white when first applied. Clear glue ensures a strong bond while still allowing you to adjust the system placement. Now remember, avoid pressing down before the glue is tacky. It can cause gaps, bubbles, or uneven adhesion. Carefully hold the system above your scalp with both hands. Align the front hairline with your guide marks or natural hairline. Slowly press the system down from front to back, ensuring the poly base lays flat against your scalp. Step 5, secure and smooth. Press firmly along all glued edges to lock in the hold. Use your fingertips or the back of a comb to smooth the base, avoiding any sliding or tugging gently. Check for any areas that might need extra glue or pressure. Avoid applying more glue over areas that are already clear. Wait for the bond to set. The result? Your skin-based system is now securely attached with liquid glue, strong, natural looking, and ready for daily wear. With the right technique, you can enjoy a reliable hold and smooth, realistic appearance. Here's a little pro tip for you. If you're wearing your system for extended periods or in hot climates, consider using a thin glue perimeter layer combined with tape for extra security. Always remove your system with a proper adhesive remover to avoid damaging the poly base. For detailed instructions on attaching the hair system, please see the installation lesson.